Guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. In the additional, not in today's newspaper of Saturday, November the 12th, 2022. I've told you earlier, we have no additional, no extra puzzles in the newspaper of today. No, it's the edition of yesterday, Friday, November the 11th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two stars Sudoku, and now it's time for the Tectonic with 1 star, and this will be number, I believe, 5472. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 1 2 22. Well. Almost all the digits in this Tectonic. Well, it's a indicated with 1 star. A 1 star puzzle. I need to be faster than 15 minutes. And should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one, 22. Cannot believe this. 22. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here only one single box. Single box is always a 1. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes here? I see here one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes then. I see here one triple box. More triple boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 2 and 3 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1 then. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes here in this puzzle? No quadra boxes. Well, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here, another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Of course, it's already filled in. Okay. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, but upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. That box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Then bubble up. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Then let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5, 3 and 5. And this box is connected with that box, so also 3 and 5. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Yeah. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These are 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4. This box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, should be there. These are 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. Come on. Yeah. Well, these two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because, oh wait, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, well, it can be a 1 here because we have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of the 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 5 and that box should be a 1. Alright. Then. Well, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Now we have a 1 there. This box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Alright. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 5, but also that box can be a 5. Because if I place a 5 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this area should be there. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, but can also not be a 5. We have a 5 already in the same area. So definitely a 3 is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, and should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then. Well, let me think. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. Now we have 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there and a double 2 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 1 and those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. Yeah. Okay. Come on. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5. 2 and 5. And is connected with that box. So 2 and 5. One of the missing number in this area is the 3. The 3 could be here, could be there. That means, wait, 3 missing numbers in this W area shape. 4 numbers, one of the missing numbers is a 3. Well, this box can be a 3. We have a 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can't be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 3 there. The 3 is supposed to be here. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this area, the 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. And a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Well, I cannot place a 2 here. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 supposed to be here, and the 5 goes here. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, it can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. Okay. Let me see. I think this box will be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Can be 4, yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Yeah, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. Yeah. Okay. And now. 3, 5. Let me think. 2, 4, 5. 3, 5. Okay. Yeah. 2 and 3. Come on. This is taking too long. This box can be 1, can be 4, can be 5. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3 is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 3. Okay. So the 5 is missing here. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. I'm stuck here. Huh. Wow. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 should be here or there. Okay. Yeah, and now 1, 2, 3. Well, 1, 2. 2. Well. Come on. 2, 4, 5. No, 2, 4, 5. 4, 5. 1, 2. 3. Overlook this 5. Yeah. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Overlooked. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 4 also. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Alright, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. No. 2 and a 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Okay. So the 2, 3, and a 1 are left. 2, 3. Well, We have a 3 here. Well, 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Where are you? 2 and a 3. Where are you? 2 and a 3. 2 and a 4. 2, 3, and a 4. No. We have a 4 here. 2, 3, and a 1. Yeah, the 1. Here can it be a 2 because we have a 2 there. The 3 could be a 3 here. Yeah. Here could be also a 3. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. But I'm stuck here. 5, 2, 3. I'm overlooked something. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 3. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be definitely here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. Alright, so 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Here also 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 1. Well, we have a double 2 there, so it can be a 2 here. So this box should be a 5. Otherwise, if I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. And 1 box left should be the 2. 2 and a 1. 2 and a 4. Well, we have a double 2 there, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. So 3, 2 and the 1 are left. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 17 minutes. Well. Should be a 2 stars. I have troubles in the end. Oh, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. Yeah, troubles. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. But I like this one, yes. And we solve it again. Do you think so? Do you like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow on Sunday I will do the samurai Sudoku. Yes. 5 Sudokus merged into one big whole samurai Sudoku, yeah, a.k.a. quintuplet. I will do a speed test because I want to try to solve this within an hour without any comments. So no talking. I will solve that puzzle, and I will also solve all puzzles in the Thursday edition. There are 3 puzzles left. So see you then. Bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Saturday. Bye-bye.